Here we have the issue around resource over-allocation that needs attention in advanced project management. This suffices for both project management and MS project training. Our courses cover both. Courses run by Insight Ed. But what you can see in front of you here is no problem, since I've already solved the problem, but I'm going to undo what I did and reintroduce the problem. There we go. So the problem's been reintroduced, and we see here that we have internet search, literature search 2.2, 2.3, and they're running in a start-to-start relationship. And it's quite obvious that we are using one researcher for both tasks, and he or she is overextended. To see the problem, we would need to click there, click on View, Details, and activate the bottom half of the screen just to see the capacity of the problem, to see how much the problem displays itself and how much we need to fix the problem. Now, capacity is running at one researcher currently, and we need double that. Okay, so we've looked at the resource graph. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fix the problem. The one way to fix the problem is to use Microsoft Projects level selection. So notice what happens here. All it does is it changes the timeline. It introduces a lag of a number of days, I think 1, 2, 3 days. But this, you do understand, will affect the final milestone. All right. So you can see here, see, 2 days, 0706, 0708. Let's say we don't want to do it that way. We're going to fix it another way. The other way to fix it is to follow the following protocols. Just have a look at the options. This we've done already, adjusting task relationships. The second method is to increase the maximum units of an available resource. Well, quite clearly what we do then is we go to the resource sheet, we spend some money, we increase this to 2, and the problem goes away. And I'm going to undo that since that's not the method I think is appropriate right now. Let's say we are limited as far as our financial capacity goes. But one of the ways we can fix this, another way, a smarter way, is to go and hire a different resource, a less expensive resource, and put him or her on the job. And what I've done here is I've listed a student researcher who costs far less than the current researcher. And we will simply go here, go to internet search, and we will remove the researcher, and we will replace the researcher with a student researcher. And the problem disappears. Not only that, but we're spending less.